to Scrapdiva Designs, and today I am creating a gift card holder featuring the Scrapdiva Designs gift card envelope. And it's so cute because you can glue it together and tear it apart. I am also using the Let's Party Honeybee Stamps pattern paper along with their cupcake lovely layers honey cuts, which I absolutely adore. I think I almost have all of their honey cuts. And this is, I'm also using the Big Bold birthday stamp and die set. Now, to put together the envelope is actually very easy. You just, once you run it through your um, die cutting machine, you're just going to score on those score lines, and you're going to fold it together and glue it. Now, when you are gluing the top piece, once you put in your gift card, you're only going to want to add glue on the bottom part because you want the top part to be able to open up when the recipient tears off the 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 I don't know what it's called, but the tearable piece, the part that you could tear, you want your recipient to be able to open it up. Okay, so now we're going to do some ink blending, and this is my favorite part. This is the reason why I love the honeybee stamp honey cuts, because I do a lot of ink blending, and I never really thought about doing ink blending before until I started using honeybee stamps. So I am using the crimson and velvet fresh dye inks from Alt to New, and my brush is from Waffle Flower, and I'm adding the velvet, a little bit of velvet to the bottom cupcake layer just for some added dimension, and on the piece, the creases of the cupcake wrapper layer, just to show that flowing dimension. And I just absolutely love honeybees die cuts. I'm not gonna keep saying that. I'm gonna keep saying that because I absolutely adore it. It just really um re let me see, what's the word I'm looking for. It really brought back crafting for me because I have stopped for a little bit to deal with some personal stuff. And now I am ink blending what's going to be the icing. And I use linen from Close to My Heart, which is no longer with us. They have closed business. And then from Alt to New, I am using the vanilla cream. And I am here, they have in the cupcakes lovely layers, they have pieces of chocolate that you could decorate your cupcake with, and I'm using milk chocolate from Alt to New for that piece, and for the topping, the cupcake um cake part, I am using you I am using the milk chocolate. Oh Lord, I'm just so nervous. I never thought a voiceover would be so nerve wracking, but it actually is. I thought it would be easier. And then oh my goodness, I don't remember which inks these are, but it's also from Alt to New. And Alt to New, they have two versions of their inks. They have the crisp dye ink and then the fresh dye inks. They're virtually the same. I think the makeup of the inks may be slightly different, but it's my understanding that crisp dye inks they are doing away with, and eventually everything is going to be turned over to be fresh dye inks. It's just that they have plenty of inventory, so until inventory is run out, they're going to then switch those colors over to the fresh dye inks. Okay, so now I am doing um the candle part and putting together my cupcake. Now, actually, I had a little faux pas and I had to recut my cupcake layer because when I was trying to glue it together, for some reason, I glued something on wrong and I just couldn't fix it. But that is okay because I was able to just redo my die cuts again. And I'm telling you, this cupcake is going to look so good. This is why I love using Honeybee's lovely layers. And you should definitely check them out at honeybeestamps.com because they have something for everybody. And their last couple of releases, I think like which one was it? Was it the February or the January release? The March release, I think I got like all of the bundles. And then now this past one, I didn't have the money to get everything, so I did have to pick and choose. So I stuck with the beach and travel theme bundles um, from Honeybee. So I realized at this point that I forgot to ink up my flame, so I am putting that together. The sentiment, which is from the Big Bold Birthdays, which is another amazing stamp set. Um, I stamped using my Misty, and then I have the waffle flower. Is it called a grip mat? I'm not sure, but I use their grip mat. I'm gonna call it a grip mat, but it's from Waffle Flower, and I just love putting this 6x9 one into my Misty to hold my paper down and do my stamping. I also do stenciling with it on there. I just absolutely love it. I just got the big Misty a few months ago, and I don't know what I did without it. Because before then, I was just using the mini one, but I am really enjoying using the big one. So here I'm just adding my pieces together, and I'm going to be trying to figure out how I want my cupcake to look on the envelope. And this is absolutely beautiful. Now, on the Make-A-Wish, on my sample piece, I actually added 3 layers for the dimension. I didn't do it here. I just added some dimensional foam to the sentiment. Um, and then I didn't add any foam to the cupcake just because it's with all the layering on it is already have enough dimension. But this is what I settled with, and it's so cute. I absolutely love it. And you can make a lot of these ahead of time. So if you do a lot of gift card giving for birthdays, Christmas, anything like that, get them ready for when graduation time comes. You can have them already done up, and you don't have to worry about it. So, and that's pretty much it for my project today. It's very cute, very easy to put together. I like to do things, a lot of times I do die cutting one day and then do my putting together another day sometimes. But yeah, that is it. So thank you for joining me today, guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.